Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we'll be diving into the Akko V3 Fairy Linear Silent Keyboard Switch for mechanical gaming keyboards. These switches have been making waves in the mechanical keyboard community, and we're here to give you all the details you need. The Akko V3 Fairy Linear Silent Keyboard Switches are designed for mechanical gaming keyboards. They come in a pack of 45 switches, each featuring a 5-pin design. These switches are known for their 50 GF operating force and quiet, linear keypresses. The V3 switches have upgraded contact materials, including alloy copper and palladium gold contacts. This enhancement improves the conductivity, stability, and overall durability of the switches. The Akko 50 GF Linear Silent Fairy switches are built to minimize noise during keypresses. They provide a consistent and smooth keystroke without any tactile bump or audible click. Ideal for those who prefer a quieter typing experience without disturbing others. Akko CS switches have an MX-style structure, making them compatible with most keycap sets featuring X cross stems. Keep in mind that a switch opener is not included, so be prepared if you plan to customize further. These switches are equipped with LED slots, ready for LED mod assembly. They are also SMD compatible, allowing you to create a custom keyboard with eye-catching lighting effects. Akko Fairy switches boast an approximate lifespan of 50 million keystrokes based on laboratory durability tests. With 45 switches per pack in a plastic tray, your switches are well protected and designed to last. These switches are competitively priced at $18.99 per pack. They are eligible for return, refund, or replacement within 30 days of receipt, providing peace of mind for buyers. If you're looking for similar options, there are other switches on the market. Like the Roma G mechanical keyboard switches or GKGAMAKAYLK67 65% RGB modular DIY mechanical keyboard. The Akko V3 Fairy Linear Silent Keyboard switches offer a quiet and smooth typing experience. With improved contact materials, MX compatibility, and LED slots, they are versatile and durable. At an affordable price point, they are a great choice for customizing your mechanical keyboard. That wraps up our review of the Akko V3 Fairy Linear Silent Keyboard Switches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more reviews from UK Pro Reviewer.